This is my second video in a series of 3 videos explaining how CDs work. In this video, I'm going to talk about CD early withdrawal penalties, how to calculate them, and what it means to your CD if you ever had to close your CD early. Banks have different policies in regards to their CD early termination fees, but generally, most banks charge a 3-month interest rate penalty if the CD term is 12 months or less. If the CD term is, let's say, 1 to 4 years, a typical termination penalty is 6 months. And for CDs greater than or equal to 4 years, that you can expect an early termination fee of 12 months. And in the next slide, I'll explain how to calculate the early termination fee. Your early withdrawal penalty is based on your current CD balance, not the CD balance when you open your CD, but whatever the current CD balance is. In my example, let's say my CD balance is $10,245, and my fixed interest rate on this CD is 4.25%. The bank's policy is a 3-month interest rate penalty if I close my CD before the end of the term. So how do I calculate the penalty? Very simply, I'm going to take 4.25%, I'm going to divide it by 12, and then multiply it by 3. I'm going to take that number and multiply it by the balance of $10,245. And in this example, my penalty is $108.85. So how much money will I get if I close my CD early? I'll get my current balance less the penalty. So $10,245 less $108.55 gives me a closing balance of $10,136.15. Keep in mind, if I close my CD really early in the term of the CD, I could actually lose principal, meaning I could get less money back from the bank than what I initially deposited. So you have to be very careful about what your early withdrawal penalty is and how soon you close your CD account. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have 2 other videos that better explain bank CDs. Please subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content on personal finance and more content to come. Thank you very much for following Dave, the Personal Finance Professor.